Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to report issue with order on DoorDash app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you recently made an order with DoorDash and you need to go ahead and report an issue. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to report an issue with DoorDash, the first thing that you're going to do is open up the DoorDash app. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, you want to click on the Me icon. Next, you want to click on Settings. And then from here, you want to click on Get Help, which is located right underneath My Rewards. Now on this page here, it's going to ask you which order do you need help with. So go ahead and click on the correct order that you need help with. So let's just choose this Japanese curry zen order, for example. And then once you click on it, it's going to ask you what can we help with, issue with items, problem with delivery, or something else. So simply just follow the on-screen prompts and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and report an issue with order on DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.